very much. I can't thank you enough.
Fucking do it, man, lad!
That's the plan Saturday night, that's the plan recently. Listen, I can't thank you enough. I really mean it. I'm proud of where I come from, I'm proud of what I stand for, and I know why I do this and what's important to me. I'll never forget where I'm from, and on Saturday night, mate, I'm going to create something that will never ever die, and that is a legacy once I beat Sideshow Bob. I'm not going in with this invincible, great heavyweight. I'm going in with a man who was absolutely fantastic. I will be honest, when David was in his prime, an immense athlete, an amazing fighter, and still the single punching, probably quickest, most dangerous heavyweight in the world. But the gas tank is very, very low, and it does not last very long. So I'll be honest, I'm expecting the very, very best of David, but I understand fully it's not going to be there for very long. And when the gas tank runs out, the big fat scouser like a steam train. I'm not going to stop. I am not going to stop. I promise you that. When you keep missing with them right hands, when we start sweating and the right hand up, because you can't throw it straight and correctly anymore. It's a little punch. I've seen people who have had the operations you've had. Reconstructive shoulder surgery is a big thing, David. And when that right hand isn't landing, because like the guys are saying, you're not starting to see that one now. WBC Cruiserweight Champion of the World. Your first step up in boxing in a long,
it's a step down, believe me, it's a step down.
Believe me. The last guy you fought, the maggot. We both know I'd have dealt with the two of them probably quicker than you would. And I would have dealt with them quicker than you would because I'm the younger, hungrier fighter.
You're definitely
hungrier fighter. You are a broken man. Running away to Miami to live the life
the only broken man is going to be you laying on the campus.
No,
the only broken man in this situation. Only broken man. You'll see.
The way you turned up yesterday, you look completely broken to be totally honest. Anything you're missing is a big issue. Absolutely ridiculous, man. You couldn't write it like you couldn't write it. Go on, please.
There's no title on the line here.
It doesn't need to be phrased.
As far as we go, you don't have ambitions to be fighting regularly at heavyweight. This is personal, isn't it?
You know what, mate? It was business up until this moron threw a punch out of press conference, which was disgusting. He still goes on, it was a slap away.
The prick dropped that ring and
shut up, boy. The champ is talking.
Started this. I'm a finisher.
Shush. Ronaldo's talking now. Shush. Fraser, he threw a punch. When someone steps into your personal space, you're allowed to remove them. I didn't throw a punch. I could have been first, but
you wouldn't have done it.
Tom Ward, you want pipe down before I step to you. Shut your mouth. So he threw a punch. Listen, mate, you have no idea.
I do.
You have no idea. Chihuahua.
Yapping Chihuahua.
Mate, with that haircut, you look like a shit suit dog. Now shut up. I was just getting to the point of he's throwing a punch and it's disgusting. He's very wrong for doing it. You do not throw punches. Listen, I'd say we're trained athletes. He's a trained athlete. I'm a trained fat guy. He's a trained athlete.
He doesn't see his son!
He is what he is. I know what he is. All I'll say is, David, when it's all said and done, nothing really matters what's said and done here. All I'll say is, just please don't bring me any excuses after Saturday. I don't want to hear any excuses. Win, lose, whatever it is, no excuses. That's all I want to say. David, are you in great shape?
Yes.
And you have no injuries?
No injuries
You
whatsoever.
haven't been to Germany to be seen by anybody?
I've been to Germany.
A few times, David,
A
yes.
few times I've been to Germany, yeah. Like I always
You're
do.
fit and healthy, David. You're fit and
Very fit and
No
healthy.
excuses.
They're all healthy.
That shoulder weight.
They can confirm that. That's why I've got
David,
to confirm.
it's so you're fit and healthy.
Very fit.
There's no excuses, David.
Heard it here.
Knocked out on Saturday night. Believe you me, I've been wrote off before. I'll get wrote off again. Saturday night, Sideshow Bar gets stopped and make excuses after it. You know why? Because I am the champ.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming. We're going to be clearing. We're going to be clearing these front tables for heads-to-heads with Derek Matthews and O'Hara and David Haye and Tony Bellew. We'll be back in a few seconds.